Hi and welcome to Cornea Revolution-Motwani LASIK. Up next we have an adorable couple, an out-of-town patient that came out to see us. The wife was more excited than the husband and she's going to tell his story. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Alice and this is
Homer.
And Homer had surgery. We're here because of Homer. He had surgery. He had an RK done about 35 years ago. Best thing ever at the time. But since his vision had decreased really bad, it's gotten really worse. And we kept hearing that there was nothing you could do, that you couldn't enhance it anymore, and we were thinking that we were going to be stuck with that he had such bad vision, he couldn't see at night, and his business is doing a lot of paperwork and he couldn't see, and we thought that he actually was eventually going to go blind. And one day we were sitting in our kitchen with our son and making a comment about how bad his vision was getting, and saying that it was so bad because there was no doctor that could revise this according to what we had heard. And so young kids, he gets on the internet right away and comes up with Dr. Motwani's phone number and address and says, there's a doctor here in California that says that he can correct this. So we got on the phone right away, made an appointment, and we're in here by the next week. Homer's vision was so bad, he had so much scarring that Dr. Motwani went in and removed all the scarring, which improved him so much, just that in itself, without actually even doing the LASIK surgery. We have since been back and it's been correcting him more and more and more, and his vision is great compared to what it used to be. And so we're very happy. He's a godsend to us because, you know, Homer's getting his vision back and he can see a lot better now. He can drive better at night. He can drive during the day and everything. So it's been a godsend.